Hello everyone, this is V coming back to you again from Grace of Elegance, Designs by Vivica. I'm doing an unboxing tonight for the Brother at Your Side Luminaire upgrade. I have a Luminaire 2 and I want to upgrade it with the Luminaire 3 software. So I just wanted to go and do an unboxing, what all came with my kit, my Luminaire kit. I've got the 10 by 10 hoop, the magnetic hoop, and that came with the kit. And I'll unbox it in a minute. But I want to unbox everything that came inside of this particular box. Here I am doing the unboxing. Yay! We like new stuff. So we've got our set of instructions here, and also the card with the software on it. Okay, the new stylist. If you can see that very well, but here it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and peel it open because I can't wait. That's it right there. So cute, so sleek, so she designed. Okay, this is also one of the foot pedals here. Let me take it out of the bag. I feel like it's Christmas time. Always get excited about all new stuff, and here it is here. Because you know those pedals come double pedals. So, let's see. I'm just unboxing it for you all so you can see what comes in the kit. And then I do another video on how I put everything together. But I'm just unboxing right now. That's it. And so this should sit like this, side by side. So this is nice. Put it over to the side here. The next thing in the box. And I gotta take out everything in the box. This is a new foot. This is the N plus foot that I was told about. It's got it's made differently. I don't know if you can see here. Nice slick bottom. Trimmed in white. This is the N plus foot. Okay. Screws. Let's take everything else in the box. I don't want to miss anything because sometimes you can have stuff clumped to taped to the boxes. Oh, here's something here. And I guess this is to hold your two pedals, two feet together. So I was going to try to open this up. Reach up and get some little tiny scissors and cut it open. And here it is right here. So you get one of those in your box too. So that's it for this box. I don't see anything else. No little tip to go under the stylist foot. Just this stylus here. So I'm going to make sure that I've got everything out of here. Because you don't want to throw away something and you could have thrown away some pieces that goes to your Luminaire or whatever. Okay, so that's this one. Now let's see what the 10 by 10 hoop looks like. Oh wow, a 10 by 10 hoop, that's too cool. So here's your tool to take a loose the magnets on the side of your magnetic hoop, because this is a magnetic hoop. And this is a 10 by 10, and I was told the reason they did this 10 by 10 is because they want a lot of people quilt, and this is a size that most people use. It's either a 9 by 9 or a 10 by 10. And here are the directions, once again, telling you all about your magnetic hoop. And that's the end of that review on what you get if you do the kit. So you get a magnetic hoop, which is a 10 by 10 magnetic hoop. 10 by 10. You also get the new updated stylus. I guess this is the tool to put together your feet. And the cord is supposed to be extremely long, I hear. So you do have some length to your cord now. And then you've got the other foot that goes along with it. And also you get your card for the upgrade. And that's it. Oh, no, never mind. Never mind. We got one more thing. And then you get the end plus foot. So I'll get back with you as I've put everything together and show you some of the ins and outs of my updated Luminaire 2 to the Luminaire 3. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Tell your friends all about me, okay? Anyways, have a great night and be blessed, be safe, and go out and do something good for someone else. Bye.